The BOTSLAB 4K Dual Dashcam delivers exceptional video quality, capturing every detail with its true 4K front camera and 2K rear camera, ensuring clarity even in low-light conditions. Advanced driver assistance systems enhance your driving experience by providing real-time alerts for potential collisions, lane departures, and driver fatigue, making every journey safer. With continuous monitoring through its 24 hours, 7 days a week parking mode, this dashcam offers peace of mind by recording incidents even when your vehicle is parked. The dashcam's wide-angle lenses cover up to 6 lanes, providing comprehensive road coverage, and its easy installation ensures a hassle-free setup process. Integrated GPS functionality not only tracks your driving route but also locks important footage during emergencies, while loop recording ensures you never miss a moment. The use of WDR technology and a robust supercapacitor means the dashcam performs reliably under various lighting conditions and extreme temperatures.